In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website draft in GoDaddy. Let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First, open up your browser and type GoDaddy in the search bar. This will direct you to the GoDaddy website, where you'll be able to begin the process of managing your site drafts. Once you've arrived at the website, you'll need to log in. You have a few options here. You can log in using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you, and proceed to sign in. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Websites Plus Marketing section on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites linked to your GoDaddy account. Look for the one that contains the draft you want to delete, and then click Manage next to that particular website. This will take you to the Management view, which offers various tools and settings for your website. Now that you're managing the right site, look for the option that says Edit Website or Edit Site. Clicking this will open the Website Builder interface. It's a robust tool designed to help you manage and customize your site, but for today, our focus will be more on maintenance rather than design. Within the editor, you'll see a menu. Select Settings to access various site options. From there, you'll want to choose Site History. This section keeps a record of different drafts and versions of your website, allowing you both to track changes and, in this case, manage unwanted drafts. Next, locate the specific draft you want to delete. Once you've found it, look to the right of the draft item, and you'll see 3 vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking these dots will give you a list of actions you can take. One of these will be Delete, which is, of course, what we're here for. After selecting Delete, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is just a precaution GoDaddy takes to ensure that no deletions happen by accident. When you're absolutely sure this is the right draft to remove, confirm the deletion by selecting Delete again in the confirmation dialog. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a draft on GoDaddy. This streamlined process ensures that you can easily manage the content and drafts for your website without any unnecessary clutter. Managing drafts on your GoDaddy website is now a task you're well equipped to handle whenever the need arises. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on managing your online presence.